If you want to create a new website, this video is for you. With Bluehost, you can create a brand new website. In this video, I will show you how you can buy Bluehost on cheap price and get a domain for free. Please check the link on description below to get the offer. Bluehost is the top player on a hosting company. They are recommended by WordPress.org. After clicking on the link, you will redirected to this page where you can compare all the plans. There are 4 plans: basic, choice, plus, online store, and cloud. So if you want to create one website, the basic plan is for you. You can create your first website only on 35 USD with this plan. On this plan, you will get one website, 10 GB SSD storage, AI tools, and you will get a free domain for the first year. Also, you will get the professional email. If you are wanted to create 3 websites, you can choose this plan, Choice Plus, which is 5.45 USD per month. You can create up to 3 websites, 40 GB storage, and all these 3 plans you will get free domain for first year. Bluehost have their own marketing tools and learning materials, so you can avail this after buying those packages, and their customer support is great. You can chat with them directly from here, and they are very responsive and care about the customers. So check the link below and get the offer. Thank you for watching this video.